Hello everyone, my name is Deshik Sai. I am from BTech first year CSC. Today we are going to solve a problem from the topic divergence of vector. So this is the problem here given that f bar is equal to r power n into r bar, where r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. We know that r bar is equal to mod of r bar. So therefore r bar is equal to r. So now r is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now the root will be, now we will square on both sides. Then we get r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Now we will mark this as equation 1. Now del f bar is equal to del of r bar n into r power n into r bar. Here f bar is equal to r power n into r bar. Now we substitute this, we get del of r power n into x I cap plus y cap y j cap plus z k cap, that equals to del is equal to r power n into x I bar plus z r power n into y j bar plus r power n into z k bar, that equals to, now we'll substitute the del value, I bar of dou by dou x plus j bar of dou by dou y plus k bar of dou by dou z into the remaining value, that is r power n into xi bar plus r power n into yj bar plus r power n into zk bar. Now if we multiply this, I bar will be 0, I bar will be 1, I bar j bar 0, I bar k bar 0. We get dou by dou x of x into r power n plus, and remaining will be same, dou by dou y of y into r power n plus dou by dou z of z into r power n. Then we get x power n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou x plus r power n plus y into n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou y plus r power n plus z into n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou z plus r power n, that equals to 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 of x into dou r by dou x plus y into dou r by dou y plus z into dou r by dou z. Here 3r power, here r power n plus r power n plus r power n, we get 3r power n, and n into r power n minus 1 is common, and the remaining value will be get, we get x into dou r by dou x plus y into dou r by dou y plus z into dou r by dou z. Now we consider this as equation A. So from the equation 1, that is r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, we take this equation. So for first equation, we partially differentiate with respect to x, y and z. So here we get here we get, so if we divide partially with respect to x, we get 2r of dou r by dou x equal to 2x. Then that equals to dou r by dou x equal to x by r. And same with respect to y, we get 2r into dou r by dou y equal to 2y. 2 cancel, and we get dou r by dou y equal to y by r. And with respect to z, 2r is equal to dou r by dou z equal to 2z. 2 cancel, we get dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Next, so now from the equation A, 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 1, we substitute these values. We get x into x by r plus y into y by r plus z into z by r. We get 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 into x square plus y square plus z square by r. So then 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 1, these x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square, that is from equation 1. Then we get r square by r cancel, then we get 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 of r. Then 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 1. Here r has power 1. Then we get r power n minus 1 plus 1. Then minus 1 plus 1 cancel. We get 3r power n plus n into r power n. If we get r power n common, then we get 3 plus n. Hence verified del dot f bar is equal to r power n into n plus 3. So in summary, we used these steps to solve the problem. We used product and child rule for differentiation and applied vector calculus identities and finally simplified result and matched the required. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.